It was a cold January night. Mark was struggling with insomnia for months. He tried everything from warm milk to meditation to tie himself, but nothing seemed to work. His friend Susan suggested him to visit a hypnotist she knew. Mark was skeptical at first, but he was desperate for a good night's sleep. The hypnotist gently took Mark into a relaxed state and suggested that he will start feeling very sleepy at 11 p.m. every night. Mark came out of the trance not fully believing it will work. But that night, as the clock struck 11, Mark's eyelids started drooping, and within minutes he was fast asleep. He woke up feeling refreshed after almost a month. He couldn't believe hypnosis therapy worked. This is the power of hypnosis, an altered state of awareness characterized by increased focus and concentration, deep relaxation, and heightened suggestibility. Hypnosis has been used for over centuries to help people change behaviors, emotions, thoughts, or physical symptoms. World Hypnotism Day is celebrated on January 4 every year to raise awareness about hypnosis and its benefits. The earliest references to hypnosis date back to ancient Egypt and Greece. But modern hypnosis started in the 18th century. In the 1770s, Franz Mesmer, an Australian physician, used hypnosis in his practice and showed its medical benefits. The term hypnosis was coined in the 1880s by Surgeon James Braid. In the mid-20th century, the British and American medical associations officially approved hypnosis as a therapy. Hypnosis can help alleviate stress, reduce pain, overcome anxiety, stop smoking, lose weight, and improve sleep. Hypnosis is also used to complement other treatments like surgery or chemotherapy to speed up recovery. Many people use self-hypnosis techniques as a self-care practice. On World Hypnotism Day, hypnosis practitioners and centers offer free hypnosis sections and workshops to raise public interest. People interested in hypnosis get a chance to experience it firsthand and see its benefits in a risk-free environment. The day also aims to debunk hypnosis myths and showcase the latest hypnosis techniques and research. Some centers hold fundraising events to support hypnosis education and training. Overall, hypnosis has significant potential as an alternative therapy. By raising awareness about its benefit on World Hypnotism Day, more people can experience its healing and transformative power. Hypnosis deserves to be adopted into mainstream medicine and psychotherapy, and with more research, the range of conditions that can be treated with hypnosis may increase further. January 4 is World Hypnotism Day. Here is a painting with all your posters for this special day, and have a wonderful World Hypnotism Day. Cheers!